Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. This is BeautyIn4C Fam. Welcome back guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for supporting me. I know I've been away for a very long time. It's been over a month since I did a video on my channel, but I'm doing well, and I've just been busy, so kindly bear with me. I'm not fully back, but I'll be back in full swing in a few weeks. So I just came back on here to give you some piece of content and get connected with you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking, and please subscribe to my channel in the link down below, and please turn on the notification bell so that you'll not miss out on any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get to today's video. Welcome back guys. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my Fabfitfun starter box. I received this about, let's say, more than 2 months ago. I received it in July, and it's been lying around. I've not gotten the time to do an unboxing video with you guys. So today is the day. I'll be showing you what I got in the box. It's usually $49.99 subscription box. It's seasonal. So mine was supposed to be summer, but you know, it's already past that. And well, it's not yet very late. I'll still show you guys what is in the box. I got my invite to the starter box from Jackie Naturals. She does hair and beauty and also unboxing videos of such boxes and many others. I'll leave her link down in the description box. Yeah, and yeah, you pay $5 only for the shipping of the starter box. Then if you not cancel the box within 21 days after the day you subscribed, they'll charge you $49 for the next box. So I was keen to cancel early enough so that I did not want to be charged yet. I'll subscribe later on in the year. So yeah, if not this year, next year. But it's a very nice box. It comes with many good products. I did peep what is in the box, so I like to share with you guys what I got. I also want to let you know that you can opt out anytime you wish from the subscription box, so it's not like it's something that you are tied to every other season. So this is how the box came. I received this box in July, so it's like kinda, yeah, it's started to show signs of aging here. So I'm going to open the box so that you see what is inside. Which way here? So I'm going to show you what is, each of the products. So let's get started. So this is the Diff charitable eyewear. Yeah, some glasses. This is how the packaging is. Pretty cool. So it has this nice pouch. It's very cute. And this is like a small fabric for wiping, like a microfiber sort of tissue. It's very nice for wiping the glasses or the lens. Then this is how the glasses look like. At least they are nicely protected. This is how they look like. They're pretty. They are very cute. Very, very cute. I don't know if they'll match my the shape of my face. I don't know. I'm yet to see that. I usually like the cat eye like sort of glasses, or rather sunglasses. I don't wear glasses, the prescription ones. So I'm going to try this. Yeah, I like them. They are really cute, very very cute, and they look like they are made of very high or very good quality, that is. Wow, they look really really good. I like them. That aside, some more products. This is the way hair care. So this is a leave-in conditioner. It's a revitalizant. Yeah. So let me just check on the description of the product. It's a conditioner that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. Wow. I'll be straightening my hair later on in the year, so I'll be I'm very interested to try this. I've never tried any hair product from this company. I've never, so I'll be very happy to try this out. So this is, it's how many ounces? 4.7 fluid ounces, which is like 140 mils, and the retail cost is $26. It's very small and a bit expensive. Oh, I forgot to show you the cost of the glasses. This costs $85. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. It's the Deep Cruise sunglasses. So they are aviators as such, a classic style made of stainless steel and a black and gray radiant lenses. This sleek pair will complement any face shape. Oh, okay. So I'm sorted. But they really look very good. I'm sorry for the mix-up of stuff, but let's continue with the unboxing. Then the third product is Dr. Brandit. This is how it looks like. Dr. Brandit something. I don't know if that's how somebody pronounces it. So it's an eye depuffing gel. I've ever gotten such a product from my Ipsy subscription box, and it looks really good. I've been using it as an eye gel. So this is how it looks like. It's not yet open, so I guess I have to like prick in there. Let me see. Yeah, I'll try it and maybe update you guys in the comment section. I've never tried such a product. So it's made for, let me see, Dr. Branded Skincare Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is how they call it. It's supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and under eye dark circles with this breakthrough solution. So it costs $42. Oh my, it's costly. It could be those higher end brands. I've never heard of such a product, so I guess it's very effective, and it costs $42, just this. So the last product is the summer and rose selling trinket dish. This is the packaging, pretty cool, just like they say it. The summer has like a rose color. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Very nice, very pretty art. This is very cute. I like it. It's like I guess this is like is it melamine, something like that, or ceramic. Yeah, it's ceramic. This ceramic is the right word. So that's all. Those are the 4 products I got. So those are the 4 products I got. The ceramic dish, the eye gel, the glasses, and the leave-in conditioner / heat protectant. So all the products are pretty good. So the selling trinket dish is supposed to like keep your jewelry, is that how they say it? I don't know. It's supposed to keep, you can keep lots of things in this dish. So guys, I'm back. I just wanted to let you know that this box, the starter box, costed, total retail value was $175, and I only paid $5 for shipping. So this was pretty affordable, and yeah, that's just something that I would never have thought about. So when Jackie shared she shared that she had some starter boxes that she wanted to give out. Usually you have to get an invite from somebody who is already subscribed to the annual subscription boxes. So I said that I'll give this a try, and yeah, it did not disappoint me at all. I love all the products, and I will be updating you guys on how they work for me. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel in the link down below, and yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you guys. Bye bye, and let me continue to slay in my sunglasses. Bye.